video, and as you can tell by the title, we are gonna get my bed finally fully linexed. I am super excited. I've been wanting this forever, and I'm excited. And you can hear the difference too, which I'll show you the difference when I get it back on. It's just like plain old metal. Here's that piece. You know, we're gonna finally get this out of here. Let's get that out of here actually. Okay, it's out. It's on the ground. There's an actual GM one too. So out with the old, in with the Linex. This is it. It's all dirty, gross. It's all just scratched up, dented, everything. Then there's my gooseneck. I don't know what that piece is. Probably just a rubber piece. But I gotta take out my undercover cover, which I took off the top. I just gotta get the rails off so you can get underneath the rails. And I will show you how it looks tomorrow. We're going to Josh here in Idaho Falls, Idaho. Great guy. So let's go meet him. Also, you guys, I actually got another one of these tailgate latches in my last video, one of my last videos. And just the little striker bowl is what I mean, that piece. I got it for this side. And it doesn't move at all. Yeah, so that definitely helps it. No more rattling. I had to pull as hard as I can to even make any noise. Yeah, get one. They're only like 12 bucks at O'Reilly's. Okay, we are back after waiting a couple hours to do it. Here is the final product, and man, does it look sick. It looks way better than I thought it was gonna be in person. Just like, I don't know, it's super amazing. Josh did a great job. So in the sunlight, and I wish I would have got it, but you can kind of get the gist of it. It literally looks super shiny. And also my rails are that way anyways, and this has been on here since last year, and it looks just as the same as brand new. So like if you went here to my rails, you wouldn't notice difference. So that's kind of what you get with premium. It like has a fade resistant coating, which you do the Linex and then you do the premium over top coat on, which causes the shiny UV protectant. It looks perfect. And also he kind of did a little bit of made my gooseneck hitch black, which is pretty cool. And it just looks so much cleaner. It doesn't look so like ghetto, not ghetto, but just like trashed. Like the white paint just all looked beat up. But oh man, it has like a little roughish, not like super rough, but you can tell right there. It looks awesome. I love it. I'm like Josh said, I should have done it first, but I had a bunch of other stuff I want to do, obviously. But definitely go hit him up if you're here in Idaho Falls. He can definitely hook you up for sure. But yeah, it looks amazing. There's that little test. It sounds a little bit different than that, but it's 100% looks better. Obviously, you can't hide everything, like all the dents and everything that was in it already. You're not obviously going to hide it, but it's a truck bed, so yeah, as you can tell right there too, it has little dents here and there, but like right there you can kind of see, but I don't really care. As long as it's lined, it'll be protected forever, for a lifetime. But stay tuned for more. I'm excited. Got more stuff, including this.